Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Gemini. So watch this video if you're a Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, then link is in the description. So let's see messages for Gemini, please, for week ahead. Keep in mind, time is fluid and the energy can be vice versa. And this is not your personal reading. So if it do not resonate, do not try to fit in, all right? I don't know how many times I need to tell this, but some people still will not get it in the comments. So messages for Gemini for week ahead, please. Wow, beautiful card. Beautiful card, Gemini. So I see that some of you have fought a battle of some sort recently, and you have basically picked yourself up very beautifully, very strongly. You are basically coming out of a situation very victorious and strong. So something or someone tried to knock you down, maybe in your surroundings or your work situation or family, or I don't know what it is. For different people, it's going to be different. But with your inner will, your inner strength, I see you have conquered a situation recently and you've become very victorious. For some of you, this could be a health situation as well, like you were going through something very difficult in your health, but now I see that you've overcome that. All right, so it is a very beautiful start to the reading already. I'm happy for Gemini. Oh, by the way, if you don't know, I'm a Gemini sun. So, hey, Gemini. All right, messages for Gemini, please. Messages for Gemini. Woo! Gemini, shall I just stop the reading here itself? Because two major arcanas and both beautiful ones. Some of you are dealing with a Leo very strongly. So Leo card twice. So some of you might be dealing with someone in authority, or this person could be a Leo, or they're very authoritative in nature. Someone who could also be possibly a soulmate. So it's like this person thinks that you are some sort of lifeline to them. Somebody sees you in a very good like energy. This person thinks very highly of you, and that is because you have battled your circumstances very beautifully, and you never give up. You are always very strong. You stand very tall for yourself, and that is why I see that you have admirers around you. And when it comes to your general life, like personal life these days, I see things are going well, or things are resolving for you. And you will find a lot of happiness and peace and harmony and beauty. Actually, things are going to become very abundant for you. I see that you will find happiness wherever you will go. Some of you, some sort of big breakthrough is about to come in your money. Just when I said that, I saw King of Pentacles bottom of the deck. So yeah, some sort of breakthrough in money is possible. You are maybe manifesting a lot of money, and the money is coming to you. All right. So give me some love messages for Gemini now. Enough of personal life and money. Now let's see what is up with your love life, Gemini. Specifically, Three of Cups. There is someone who's looking for a reunion with you. I see that somebody wants to have a reunion with you. This could be that a friend was interested in you, or someone from your friend circle is basically eyeing on you. But for most of you, I see this could be reunion from a past person. Could be an air sign, could be a water sign. I see that somebody wants to come in, make amends, and basically right the wrong that they did, because this is Three of Swords here. So this person might have cheated you, deceived you, or they were just not making any action in the past. But now I see this person wants to come in and correct the situation, and they want to work on it basically. Okay, what happened in the past between Gemini and this person? Some of you, there was a third party situation, and that is why you left. But now somebody is burdened. Okay, so this person is very guilty and very burdened because of their own action. Like how sometimes, when we do wrong, we just feel a pressure that we have to correct it, and we always constantly get reminders that, oh my god, I did this wrong, oh my god, I did this wrong, I need to correct it. So somebody is feeling that kind of pressure. They know that they messed up the situation with you, and now they are under pressure to correct it with you. All right, so what was the obstacle? Yeah, Four of Swords. I see this person ghosted you in the past. Like there was a third party situation. Maybe you confronted and then they ghosted you, or maybe they just ghosted you without you confronting them. Somebody just kind of escaped the situation. You were dealing with someone who was an escapist, and now this person regrets the fact that they did whatever they did. Five of Pentacles. What the fuck were you dealing with, Gemini? So could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius very strongly, and then could be an earth sign as well. Some of you, this person also took away your money, or maybe they just left you out when you most wanted them. Some of you, you might have also tried to work this out with them, like you tried to reach out to this person multiple times, but they did not pay attention. They were just very stubborn. You were dealing with someone who was very stubborn, and they were so stubborn that they did not even wanted to fix it. You tried, Gemini. I see that you tried. See, Queen of Pentacles with the Ace of Wands. I see that you desperately tried to make this work, because you know, Geminis, people say that we are air sign and we are very unstable, but I think once a Gemini commits, they will never look back. But the problem is that Geminis don't commit easily. But once we have our eye on somebody, that is it. So I see that you had your eye on this person and you desperately wanted to make things happen. But this person was very stubborn to leave you in the past, and they just wanted to go away. And then you were like, okay, fine, if you want to, then bye. So I see somebody's stubbornness basically killed the whole situation between you and them. They were very stubborn to change and very conservative maybe. Some of you, they had a conservative family, and because of that, things did not work. Conservative mother especially. Hold on. So what is the present situation? Three of Pentacles. Gemini, you are very focused on your pentacles these days, isn't it? You are just working hard. You're working hard on something. You're starting a new project. You are in a new project. You're trying to work with people, work in groups, work in teams. You want to make things happen for you. You've become very stubborn, and you've become very stubborn to elevate your life. Like, this kind of setback actually motivated you to go for your dreams, and you're just being very serious about it. Money is coming in, and I see someone also coming in. You might be dealing with somebody who's pretty slow though. Like, this person is pretty slow. That is their nature. You can't do much about it. Very slowly and steadily I see somebody making move towards you. Gemini, some of you have more than one person. Just when I said that, King of Wands popped up. So yeah, you have a choice between a fire sign or an earth sign, or air sign, earth, fire, water. Everything is here basically. You have a choice between two people. One person very stubborn, other person very slow. Some of it's a Scorpio. You thought that it was over with them, but this person is not letting you go. That is why you also feel their energy sometimes. You know why? When sometimes somebody thinks about us, we kind of start getting mood swings. That is because somebody have you on their mind. That is why suddenly you start feeling weird, and you start feeling sad, or you start feeling very happy. Those mood swings happen because somebody is lingering on to your energy. You are also in two minds. So I see, you're very confused, Gemini. Some of you feel that if you give this person a chance, it's going to be a waste of time. So you're very skeptical to give them a chance because you do not want to repeat the same mistake that you did in the past. However, I see somebody is very stubborn and they are going to make a move towards you. And this is the same person who must have ghosted you. For some of you, it's two different people. So you decide which story applies to you. So what is this person's next action? Page of Cups. They want to apologize. What did you do to them? Or what are you doing these days, Gemini? Let me know. Are you doing some spells? Are you doing manifestation? Or are you just thinking about this person? I see that you are manifesting an apology. It's coming in. Or a message for some of you. It might actually come to you in the month of November. I don't know. It's very random. Maybe November or 11 weeks from now. Knight of Cups. Somebody is in love, Gemini. This person is in love. And actually more than one person is in love with you. Do you know that? You are apple of everybody's eyes these days, Gemini. What are you doing? So we have so many court cards here. Knight of Pentacles, King of Wands, Knight of Cup, Page of Cup. You definitely have multiple people having their eye on you, but I see, you know, in the past, somebody was a fuckboy or a fuckgirl, or you were attracting fuckboys and fuckgirls, but I see either somebody changed or somebody new who's very stable is coming towards you. But this person is coming in a little slow, so that is why don't get pissed, because I know Geminis do not like slow people. But I see somebody is very slowly and gradually taking moves towards you, but this person is serious about you. So like they want to have something long term with you, and that is why they are anticipating the whole situation and taking their steps. Some of you, they are planning how to apologize to you. They are writing and deleting messages. Like they want to get the perfect format to get an apology from you. For example, respected Gemini. Subject, I screwed it, please forgive me. Then, dear Gemini, I know this is to state that I have fucked up the situation with you. They are doing that. Like somebody wants to have a new beginning with you, and this person actually wants a commitment with you this time, but their approach towards you is very slow. Slowly and steadily, they are anticipating the situation and coming towards you. And I see some of you Gemini these days, you're educating yourself. That's going to pay you off in the long term really well. See for once. I see marriages on your mind, Gemini. Like you want to settle down, you want to get married. And I see this person also wants the same. Somebody is very serious about you this time. So they are serious about you this time, is what I see. They were very slow, or they have been very slow. But slowly and steadily, they are trying to take moves so that they can have something fixed with you. Like they do not want to play around and then mess up the situation and leave. This person is slow because they want a future with you, like a long-term thing. So that is why slowly and steadily they are moving on. They do not want to screw this up. Okay, what's gonna be the outcome between Gemini and this person, please? 6 of Swords. So whatever obstacles you are having with this person, Gemini, I see things are going to resolve. I see things are already resolving slowly though, but I see ultimately you will reach a very calm position, very healing position. Basically you're healing. You're already going towards calm waters from turbulent times. So the turbulent times are about to be over, and I see you reaching in a very good position and things basically resolving. See, Judgment card, you're waiting for some sort of decision, or you just want the universe to give you a decision, a judgment, that your suffering is over, your hard times are over, and that is what is coming towards you. You are manifesting that. And Hierophant, some of you Gemini definitely marriage on cards, like literally on cards, on your tarot cards. See. So I see marriage coming in for you, and money, Gemini. I see money coming towards you. You're working really hard, or you're working on something, you're perfecting yourself. It's going to lead you a lot of money. Fool card. I also see that you're trying to take a risk towards something these days. Like you're taking those leap of faiths in your career or money situation or whatever. Maybe you want to get into a project and you are not sure. The message is to take that leap of faith. Or if you have an idea that you know that if I will execute this idea, it's going to give me a lot of money, your message is to go for it. And when it comes to love, I again see that you're very skeptical. You're like, this person is so slow. I don't know if they will ever make a move, or I don't know if I can trust them. Your message is to take that risk. Only when you will take the risk, you will know, Gemini. That's the only way to know, right? How do you know something will work or not? By doing the damn thing. 6 of Cups. I definitely see someone who left you out, or I don't know, the situation did not work. Whatever did not work in the past can work now. I see someone from your past making a move towards you, and this time around they're very serious. This person definitely have you on their mind 24/7. A lot of nostalgia. Some of you literally grew up with this person, like you are friends from college or school days. I see a lot of deep emotions. And yeah, that is why though they moved away from you, though you were in no contact, this person cannot resist you. Or a message of Gemini, forgiving and learning, same thing. Somebody wants to right the wrong that they did, and it's a past person. The same freaking message. That's the beauty of tarot. I love tarot. Make the effort. Somebody wants to make an effort because they want to get your forgiveness, because they think that you are the one for them. They think that there are deep emotions and they want you. Like that is why they want to make it work. This person wants you, point blank period. Very beautiful reading. Hope this helps to resonate, and let me know if you will forgive this person or not in the comments. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.